Hey, this is Gabby with Dabble Lab. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to make Alexa skills sound more natural by randomizing responses. I'm going to start with a basic Alexa hosted skill. If you need help creating an Alexa hosted skill, visit dabblelab.com/211. Okay, let's get started. At this point, when our skill is launched, users will hear "Welcome," you can say hello or help. Which would you like to try? Let's say we want to vary the word welcome, so that users sometimes hear hello, hey, hi, hi there, and good day. We'll start by creating a JavaScript array that contains each of the greetings. Next, we'll create a variable named response. This will hold the value from the greetings array. To set the value of the response variable, we'll use the built-in JavaScript math object and a little multiplication. Here's how we'll do it. We'll use the math floor function, and pass in the value of the math random function multiplied by the length of our greetings array. Now, we'll modify the code to use the response in the speak output variable. Next, we'll save and publish the code. That's it. Now we can test with the Alexa simulator to see if we get a random greeting. I'll enter the skill name to run the test.
Hi, you can say hello or help. Which would you like to try?
So the first test used the word hi.
Good day, you can say hello or help. Which would you like to try?
Our second test used good day.
Hello, you can say hello or help. Which would you like to try?
And our third test used the word hello. So, we can see from our tests that the response is being randomly selected from our greetings array. Well, that's all for this tutorial. I hope it was helpful. If you're not watching this tutorial on dabblelab.com, you can get the source code by visiting dabblelab.com/212. Thanks so much for watching.